Hey guys, good morning once again, and thank you so very much for joining the security demo. So, what is the agenda for today's security demo? So, first thing is introduction about myself related to trainer, and next one is I will explain about overall security demo and security domains information, and finally, if you have any questions, you can ask about Q&A sessions. That is nothing but question and answer sessions site. So, let's start. Yeah, my name is Ramakrishna and I have approximate 16 plus years of experience into multiple security domains, starting with endpoint security, network security, and also application security, cloud security, product security, mobile security, information security, and so on. So that is about myself, and I worked in the couple of multinational companies and couple of product-based companies. I don't want to reveal all those company names here, unfortunately. Sorry, please don't mind. So that is about myself, about the introduction side. And before going to dedicated to cybersecurity domain or IT security domain, as per 2024, as per 2023 and 2025, what is topmost IT and software industries and topmost trending technologies are available in the market? So as per 2024 survey and also 2025 survey, so what are the topmost overall IT software side, top trending technologies are available? First one, obviously everywhere you know, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So that is the first one. Second one is data science or big data or Hadoop, and those things will fall under the second one. Third one is cloud computing, that may be Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure or GCP or Alibaba or Oracle Cloud and so on. So under this one, we have DevOps, TechOps, DevSecOps. There are so many fields will fall under. And the fourth place is cybersecurity. When I say cybersecurity, it's not only about cybersecurity. There are more there are so many security domains will fall under the cyber security. Okay, so that one we are going to discuss in the couple of minutes. And the next one is Python, PowerShell, and also Angular, and also full stack developer, React to JS, and Microservice based Java applications, and evergreen based software industries or technologies like C, C++, and also VLSI design and embedded system, and ERP platforms like SAP or Oracle, or maybe bunch of the modules in the once again under the SAP. So and Power BI, there are so many technology, MuleSoft, there are so many. So these are all the couple of trending technology as per 2024 survey. I took this particular survey from the different websites, that from the Forbes and also from the IT security technologies and also from the different websites. I got information and finally I provided sampling theorem and I provided the topmost trending technologies, whatever it is available in the 2024 and also 2025. So that's why even our Indian government and also our state government, that may be Andhra Pradesh or Telangana or Tamil Nadu or Karnataka or Kerala. So first four technologies are introduced in the our engineering as well. So that is machine learning and data science, cloud computing and cyber security. These are all the couple of courses they introduced in the engineering side. So let's start about dedicated to our core content, whatever I'm going to discuss. So security demo. So today date I provided. Before going to security domains and security branches or types of the security technologies, first of all, what is security? So most of the people, whenever we will ask what is meant security, they will say protecting of the data. Do you think that only protecting of the data is a security? No. Protecting of the data, protecting of the assets, protecting of the information, and protecting of the servers or database, entire organization or entire company or entire corporate is called as so security basically. So not only just protecting of the data, we have to protect the entire organization. So every organization contains the assets and servers and databases and applications and cloud, and also so all the printers, network devices, everything. You are securing all these, protecting or safeguarding mechanism. And whenever any hackers they are doing the hacking, so if you want to prevent those things, that is called security. not only just protecting of the data. So that is meant by security. And coming back here, so what is attacker or hacker or intruder or threat actor or adversary? What exactly they will do? They will do hacking. And why they will do hacking? What is the main objective and goal of any attacker? And what is the vision and mission and strategy of any attacker? Basically, they want to earn money easy way. For that one, they will develop the different types of malicious category of the malwares or softwares or potential unwanted programs or hacking tools or penetration. There are so many ways they can enumerate and they can exploit it. So that is the first way of any objective or any goal of the any attacker for earning of the money. Second one, stealing of the data. With stealing of the data, what attacker will do? If the vendor, if they don't maintain any copyrights or trademarks or patents in that scenario, so they can steal the data and they can develop their own product. For example, Redis Lab is developing. There are so many pharma-based tablets or pills or injections and so vaccinations and so on. If they don't have any copyrights or trademarks or patents and so on, and if I'm stealing the data from the Redis Lab, then I can go and I can develop my own products and I can keep RK pharma-based companies. So indirectly, it can leads to once again, so earning of the money. So that is the any attacker or hacker main objective and goal. So mainly for blackmailing or earning of the money, and second one stealing of the data. So whatever I said is a corporate point of view. Even in the personal point of view also, maybe your debit card data or credit card data, or maybe your bank account or your PIA data, you can steal it, and you can do any online shopping if you don't use any multi-factor authentications, if you don't have any security controls, if you don't have any captcha, or if you don't have any security questions. In that scenario, obviously you can take our personal data and you can utilize for the stealing of the money or purchasing of something in the online, or maybe indirectly it leads to losing of something from our personal point of view. So there are two ways here. One is the organization point of view, one is the personal point of view as well. So that is the main attacker goal and objective and vision and mission or strategy basically. So there are three different types of attackers basically. So those attackers are white hat hackers and black hat hackers and gray hat hackers. What is the difference between white hat and black hat and gray hat? So black hat is like a real attackers and they will compromise the system, and finally they will do the blackmailing of the money. So they are the real hackers basically. And white hat hackers like a these are all the red team capability or security fixing capability or penetration testing capability. They'll fix the vulnerabilities or issues. So every organization nowadays they are recruiting red team, and black hat is completely real time hackers. They can do the hacking, and whatever target machine or system they are trying to hack, they'll compromise the system by identifying the vulnerability or weakness, or maybe doing the penetration issues as well. And gray hat, it's like in between white and black. So they have the partial information about what black hat hackers will do, and also in the white hat hackers will do. So most of the cases we can use white hacking capability in our organization point of view, proactive way, how we can identify the threats or vulnerabilities or loopholes, and so that we can proactively safeguard or protect and prevent our data or information or network or cloud or mobile application or product and so on. So these are the three different types of hacker types basically. And once again, under this one, we have green and red and pink, all these. But mainly, these are all main category of the hacker types. Next one, security domains are branches of the subdomains of the security or types of the security technologies. There are different types of security domains, not only just cyber security. There are so many security technologies or domains or subdomains or security domains or types of the security domains. One is information security, physical security, endpoint security, network, infrastructure security, mobile, product, application, operational technology, Internet of Things, industrial Internet of Things. So ninth one is trending one once again, cloud and cyber. So not only this one, even cryptocurrency, blockchain. So these are all the even trending technologies of the security domains as well. So whatever we are discussing, it's not only just about cyber security. We are going to discuss about each and every security domain and what is the importance of the each and every security domain. I'm going to explain now. Let's start with one by one. First one is information security. Information is nothing but collection of the data. So that whatever data we are collecting, the organization point of view, our company point of view, our corporate point of view, we have to safeguard or we have to protect and we have to prevent from the attackers or hackers. So it's a overall organization security. Under the information security, there are different types of branches once again. One is GRC, governance, risk and compliances. And next one is implementation and information security. And third one is risk management and risk analysis and risk mitigation. And next one is instant response. Under that one, business continuity planning and disaster recovery. Finally, auditing of the security. That may be internal auditing of the security and also external auditing of the security. So it depends on so what type of vacancy we selected. Whether we selected for the third party external auditors like KPMG or Deloitte or PwC or Ernst and Young, or maybe we selected for the consulting and service based companies like TCS or Infosys or Wipro or Capgemini or Mindtree or Accenture and so on. So they can do the internal audit and even they can do for external audit as well. So mainly information security, what is the exact role? So one is information security analyst. Second role is internal auditor or external auditor. Third one is risk management. So these are the three different types of roles or vacancies we can apply under the information security. There are so much of information is going on right now and lot of salaries are available under the information security, especially on the GRC side. That may be ISO 27001, that may be PCI-DSS or GDPR, SOC 1, SOC 2, HIPAA. There are so many compliances basically. So what is the main role under the information security? As I said, one is GRC consultant. Second role is information security analyst. Third role, risk management and risk analysis. And that may be application security or that may be cloud security. Fourth one is auditor. That may be internal security auditor, that may be external auditor. So that is about overall information security. Under this one, as I said, couple of vacancies we can go and we can apply. So that is out of first security domain. So let's go to second security domain, physical security. This is not from the technical point of view, but this is basically from the uh, physical, touchable kind of thing. So like, for example, in front of the any organization, security guard is available. Why security guard should be available? Whenever any unknown person is entering, obviously what he will do, he will take care of the he will take care of the preventioning of that unknown users without any access card is available. So that is one of the one type of the physical security. In the similar way, if any person doesn't have the any access card, they cannot enter into the organization. So and also fingerprints, thumbnails, door locking, and CCTV cameras, signatures, all these will fall under physical security. Physical security also one type of the security domain, and this is not a technical, but anyways, every organization has to maintain the physical security controls as well, and they have to should take care of the business continuity planning and disaster recovery whenever any earthquakes, and also whenever any tornadoes or tsunamis or tufans or rains it will occur. Is there any alternative site or is there any disaster recovery site? All those can be fall under physical security as well. So that is under the second security domain. Third one is endpoint security. Before going to endpoint security, what is mean by endpoint here? So endpoint is nothing but here end user machine. So that may be laptop or MacBook or workstation or desktop. Someone is keeping unmute here. Apologies, guys. First of all, what is endpoint security? Endpoint security is nothing but, first of all, what is meant by endpoint? Endpoint is host machine or employee asset or employee laptop or MacBook or workstation or desktop or all these servers. We can call it as endpoints. If you want to protect and if you want to prevent any attacks to these endpoints, that particular security, we can call it as endpoint security or endpoint protection. What are the different types of solutions we have to implement under the endpoint security? We have to implement EDR, that is called as next generation antivirus, and we have to implement XDR, and we have to eliminate traditional antivirus. In the similar, we have to implement DLP, and we have to implement encryption. We have to implement HDS, HAPS, and we have to implement mobile device management and file integrity monitoring. All those security solutions will part in the endpoint security. Each and every security solution we are using, so each and every one is like a tool. For every tool, we have a lot of vacancies. That may be EDR or XDR, that may be encryption, that may be DLP, that may be file integrity monitoring, or mobile device management. So here itself, we can create approximate. So once again, sales, pre-sales, design, implementation, and operational support of L1, L2, L3. In such, we can create more than 20 vacancies under the endpoint security itself. Okay, that you will not understand right now. Maybe once we are going to the later sessions, you will understand what is sales and pre-sales, security architect, design and implementation, and so on. So that is about endpoint security. Next one is network security. Network security is also called as perimeter security. So nothing but basically internet facing. Perimeter meaning internet. Most of the attacks will come through internet. That may be through phishing email, that may be through drive-by downloads, that may be through any other vulnerability scanning mechanisms, and so on. In the network, that may be local area network or wide area network. In our organization point of view, we have to implement a couple of solutions. Those solutions are, one is next generation firewall or firewall. Next one is proxy server or secure web gateway. Third one is NADS, NAPS, network intrusion detection system, a network intrusion prevention system. Once again, under this one, each and every tool, that may firewall or proxy or NADS, NAPS, we have L1, L2, L3, and we have sales, pre-sales, design, implementation, and operational support. So here we can create approximate 21 vacancies under the network security itself. Okay, everything is a tool oriented. There is no need to keep manual effort from our side. Next one, infrastructure security. Infrastructure is not only belongs to just servers. Basically, it will contain Windows servers or Linux servers or storage or backup or databases. So all of our laptops or MacBooks, everything like infrastructure. But especially from the security point of view, what is infra security? Whatever servers we do have, we have to do the scanning of those servers. And for that one, we can use couple of tools. That process, we can call it as vulnerability management or vulnerability assessment. We have to run the scan and we have to identify, is there any vulnerabilities are existing. For example, in our body, if I have any disease, so we can go to CT scan and we can see, is there any loophole is existing? Is there any problem is existing? How the X-ray will give all those details. Same way, our vulnerability management, once we are running the scan, it will give the couple of problems or issues in the server side. That may Windows or Unix or database servers or cloud instances and so on. And finally, those vulnerabilities can be fixed by the respective servers team by raising the ticket. What is our role basically? Creating the scan rule, scan policy, running the scan, identifying the vulnerabilities, and assigning to the respective owner, and fixing the vulnerabilities, and re-verifying and re-auditing. That is our role, part of the vulnerability management or vulnerability assessment. It's a very simple role. It's very simple and straightforward. So that is about infrastructure security. So all these, whatever we discussed so far, one is information security, physical security, endpoint, network infra. These are all legacy or outdated. But even though still we are using, it's not outdated yet, but still it is required. Every organization is required all these security solutions. But now coming back, what are the trending technologies? Right now it is available in the market. Mobile security, product security, application security, OT, IoT, IIoT, nothing but operational technology, Internet of Things, Industrial Internet of Things, cloud security and cyber security. Now we are going to discuss about 6th to 11th. And along with this one, as I said, we have generative AI security. That is also one of the trending technology. Blockchain security and cryptocurrency security as well. So let's go and discuss about these trending technologies. Mobile and product and application and OT and IoT. All these different types of security domains or technologies contains the development basically. What is development here? Software development life cycle. Mobile development, product development, application development, OT development, or IoT development, or IIoT development contains the software development life cycle. What we have to do, each and every phase of the software development life cycle. So we have the requirement phase, design phase, development phase, testing phase, and final release phase. So all these teams are horizontal and we are a vertical. So requirement team, design team, nothing but software architects or mobile architects or cloud architects or product architects or product owners or scrum masters or development masters. All these are horizontal. Now we are a vertical. Each and every phase of the software development life cycle, we have to provide the security. So in the requirement phase, we have to gather security. In the design phase, we have to do threat modeling. In the development state, we have to run the code scanning and the third-party software scanning. In the testing phase, we have to do the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Once again, black box or white box or gray box penetration testing. Once everything is fine from the security side, then only we have to sign off and we have to inform to the mobile developers or product owners or application owners or OT owners stating that yes, so in the product or in the mobile or in the application or in the OT devices, there is no flaws are existing. Please release to the public or customers. Now, in the next day, we can see in the news channels stating that Apple is released new mobile, Samsung is released new mobile. You can go and you can purchase it. Or maybe, so G Healthcare, Arsenal Electrical, or Philips is released one of the healthcare product. Please go and purchase it. In the similar way, application security side, so WhatsApp is released new feature, or Facebook is released new feature. Please and go and utilize that one. All these things not based on the testing tools, whatever they are in testing. So that may be automated manual using Selenium based testing or JavaScript or Java or using load runner or performance testing or feature testing. That is not sufficient right now. We have to do security testing from our side as well. Then only we have to sign off the feature or product or mobile and we have to release to the public. But most of the companies are not doing this one. There are a lot of companies drawback of this one. Every company has to follow this is secure SDLC life cycle. Especially product development companies, they have to follow these principles or security best practices, starting with the requirement to till the release. So 6th to 9th will cover same as it is almost. Okay, so go back. So that's why I said application, product, mobile, and OT, IoT under this single umbrella, SDLC life cycle. Requirement, design, development, and testing phase and release phase. We have to provide the security by coordinating with the requirement team, by coordinating with the software architects or product owners, or by coordinating with all the developers, and by coordinating with the testing tools. In this one, we have to do the security testing. And finally, once our security side, we are confirmed that there are no issues are existing, there are no problems are existing, there are no risk is existing, there are no loopholes are existing, then we can inform to the respective application owner or product owner or mobile owner or OT owner, then they release to the public. So all these 4 different types of security domains will follow same process. But nowadays, most of the companies like travel-based industries or oil and gas sector or retail sector or maybe banking sector, healthcare sector, so finance sector, insurance sector, every company is not following each and every phase of the security implementation. They have to follow in all these phases security implementation, and very, very limited people are there in the market. What is the drawback in this one from the security point of view? You should know at least one of the programming language. That may be C or C++ or Java, most of the cases, or .NET. So if you know one of the program language, yes, you are eligible for the application security vacancies, penetration testing vacancies, product security vacancies, mobile security vacancies, or OT or IoT, IIoT vacancies as well, from the security point of view. Once again, there are so many vacancies will be fall under this category. Okay. So next one is cloud security. Whatever in the on-premise we are deploying endpoint security solution, network security solutions, and also cyber security solution, everything we have to implement in the cloud as well. That may be Amazon Web Services, that may be Azure, that may be Google Cloud Platform, or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or Alibaba, or IBM, and so on. So couple of security services we have to provide, that may inbuilt or native cloud services, or that may be third party bring your own license capability. So a couple of services I already noted here: identity and access management, IAM, and logging and monitoring, and also Glacier, S3 bucket, Key Vault, KMS, firewall, web application firewall, security group, network access control list, DOS protection, firewall protection. There are so many things we have to enable to make sure that whenever the application is migrating from on-premise to cloud environment, or maybe directly from the scratch, we are deploying the applications on the cloud side. That may PaaS or SaaS or IS based. According to that one, we have to implement sufficient access controls from the security point of view. Okay, so that is about cloud security. So there is no need of separate training for cloud security. If you know about endpoint and network and application and product infrastructure sufficient way, you can eligible for cloud security vacancy as well. For example, lot of people they took training under me, and even they got selected in the cloud security also. Example, European Council, they are working on the PwC, they are working on the Philips, they are working on the Deloitte, and so on. Okay, there is no need of separate training for cloud security vacancy. And finally, cyber security. What is cyber security basically? So cyber security for 24/7 monitoring and for single console. Maybe you can ask, so many tools are available, so many security domains are available, then why cyber security is required? Why single tool is required? Each and every security solution or domain has the tools. Then why cyber security is required once again? Mainly for it is a single console or unified console or management console. From this console, we can take care of the overall analysis. There is no need of any dependency with the endpoint security or network or cloud or application or mobile. Everything we can do the analysis and closing of the ticket and compromising scenario, infection cleaning, and everything we can take in care here itself. In case SIM tool is not existing, for suppose, maybe blame game will happen. What do you mean by blame game here? One of the attack hits occurred, so that may belongs to server side got compromised. The ticket went to endpoint security. Maybe endpoint security team, they will say like, it's not my under bucket. Please go and coordinate the network security. When we are coordinating network security, then they will say it's not my job. Please and go and coordinate with the application security. Whenever you are coordinating with application security, they will say like, it's not my job. Please go to this some other team. This is the way how the blame game will happen. By that time, other systems also will get compromised. Infection will be increased. Reputation of the company will be damaged. That one will leads to, okay, so reputational damage or losing of the money. Once reputation and trustworthy of the company will be damaged completely, our projects we will lose, our reputation we can lose. So obviously we can fall under the losing of the profits. So that's why for single unified management console to take care of the overall analysis and investigation, we can use cybersecurity tool. Okay. So under that one, we can use one of the tool name is called SIM tool. So SIM tool can be used under the SOC team. So SOC team is a 24/7 operational team. Under this one, we have level 1 or level 2 and level 3. In the similar way, tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3. So this is the way how the overall escalations can be taken care. So there are 3 levels, level 1 or tier 1 or level 2 or tier 2 or level 3 or tier 3 or L1 or tier 1 or L2 or tier 2 or L3 or tier 3. And finally, to maintain all these people, one of the dedicated person will be taken care. So that person we can call it as a manager. He will do the people management and also he will take care of the technical side as well. So coming back here, if you want to come to security domain, what is the requirement? You should educate 10 plus 2 plus 3, nothing but any bachelor of degree, irrespective of the compulsory, you should be like only um, bachelor of engineering or master of computer application, MCA. So you should be any degree that may irrespective of BCom or BSc or BZC or MPC, MPCS or MCCS or diploma or BTech or MCA, whatever it may be. So 10 means 10th standard, 2 means 12th standard, and 3 means here 3 plus of any bachelor of the degree. And additional requirement, you should know about how to operate the system and what is my drives and what is restrict is how to operate laptop or MacBook or workstation or desktop. And finally, very important thing is communication skills are very important. Your soft skills are very important. So I can say that out of 100% of the security people, 70% is completely depending on your communication skills only. Remaining 30% only is depending on your technical skills. So if you are verbally you are excellent or you are advanced at least, not like you should be expert. So you should be average maintaining. Yes, you are perfectly eligible for coming to cybersecurity field. Why? Because so we should coordinate with North American team or Africa or Europe or Middle East or Australia or other continents as well. So if they know about Hindi, yes, we can speak in Hindi or Telugu or Tamil or Kannada or Malayalam. But problem here is other country people, they will not speak all these languages, correct? Obviously, what is the medium of transparent or communication channel is English. So English is a mandatory for requirement side. So this one will play very major role. Why I'm saying this one and why I'm stressing this one. Lot of people got the jobs, but unfortunately, because of the communication skill set issues, they came back within the 1 month or 2 months and 6 months to losing of the job. Forget about even though they know about technical, they're not able to express their side, what to do and how to express. If you don't know, not in this field, if you are going for any entire IT and software industry, English is a mandatory skill. If Indian government is providing the employment to all the Indian people or Indian citizens, we can speak in our normal local languages. What are 221 languages we do have? But whether Indian government is doing, no, not at all. Because of the population, because of the employment, and because of resources from the geographical related issues as well, we are depending on the other countries. That is nothing but projects. So that's why our English is a mandatory for IT and software industries. So next one, tools. What are the tools we are going to discuss? On the vulnerability management, Nessus and Qualys. On the SIM tool side, QRadar, Sentinel, Splunk, or Exabeam. On the antivirus side, CrowdStrike and Sophos. And the firewall side, FortiGate and Palo Alto. And possible proxy also I can teach. And there are a lot of other open source tools like MX tool, virustotal.com, Process Monitor, Process Explorer, Nmap. So all these different types of tools we are going to discuss in the class. So course details are, it will take 70 to 90 days in between, because I'm not only going to discuss about only one particular security domain. Because in this course content, I'm going to discuss about almost 5 to 6 domains. So I'm not going to teach about only one tool. And used to say, okay, so I completed the syllabus, please go and attend the interviews. I'm not that kind of a person. So I can teach minimum, so at least 5 to 6 security domains, and you can apply for multiple vacancies, that means sales oriented or pre-sales oriented, and also design oriented, implementation oriented, and L1, L2, L3 oriented. So this course content can apply from freshers to up to 20 years of the experienced people, irrespective of the what type of the domain you are currently working on, and what is the current bachelor of degree you are holding on. Okay, anyone can attend, because I can teach up to architect level, up to CISO level. What the highest level in the security field is CISO, Chief Information Security Officer. So I can teach up to that design and architect, and also more than manager level of the overall syllabus and course content point of view. It's not like only teaching one tool and completing the syllabus. That too not for one security domains, multiple security domains I'm going to teach. And so resume preparation and recording of the sessions and uploading in the Google Drive, sharing up all those Google Drive links to you for whenever you are not able to attend the class, revisit and providing the material, and also taking the mark interest on the weekly basis. So these are all the couple of things I can take care. Right now, unfortunately, even though I'm trying a lot of things outside to get the projects so that I can recruit from my side itself, still it is work in progress. It is in pipeline, but I cannot commit right now. Campus placements I can provide, or placements I can provide. So, but anyways, there are a lot of vacancies are available, but that assistance I can provide, that consultancy I can provide. So coming back, so you should require laptop, because we have to teach couple of lab sessions, that may be vulnerability management or EDR tools or SIM tools or proxy tools or firewall tools. For that one, it is required minimum 16 GB RAM with the 250 GB hard disk at least, to installing all these labs to practice purpose basically. On class timings, I will take only evening, and that may be 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. That is what right now I proposed. Maybe it will vary that time. So right now I'm proposing 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So that is our overall course details. And how to choose the course. Forget about whether you want to come to only security domain. No. So you can choose whatever software technology you want, but you can choose it for the rarest technology available in the market, and very limited people are available in the market. And also for another maybe 5 to 10 years, you should not change the technology. So every time I cannot go and I can effort, and from the scratch I can't do it, right? Maybe today I'm choosing robotics, robot process automation. Maybe in the another 1 year, maybe RP is completely obsolete, or completely it's went down. Then I have to go for another technology. How many times I have to change my technology? It's very difficult for me every time to survive, every time from the scratch. Our brain capability and IQ capability, intelligent quotient is not that much. Maybe we cannot go and we can cope up with each and every technology. Okay. In that scenario, you can go and you can inquire with your friends and relatives, and also your family members, and already working professionals as well. Take the advisory or consultancy. So what is the best technology for another 10 years, or another 8 years, or another 15 years? Can I stay same technology for another 10 years? Can I stay another 15 years in the same technology? Or whether I have to change once again another 1 year? Maybe today I'm taking cybersecurity domain. Maybe next year I have to go to once again DevOps, or next time once again I have to move into the machine learning capability or artificial intelligence. So we cannot go and we can choose the wrong technology. So I'm saying that choose the right technology. That doesn't matter whether you want to come for cybersecurity, or whether you want to go for the DevOps, or whether you want to go for the so Hadoop or data science or cloud computing or machine learning. Choose the correct technology. That's what my advice to you guys. Okay, so forecast you can consider for at least 7 to 10 years in between. So then only choose the perfect technology, and please go keep on that one only, and please work on that one. So coming back, maybe cybersecurity can be demolished in another 2 to 3 years, or application security can be demolished in 2 to 3 years, or maybe it will become obsolete. I have one question. whether internet will be demolished in the future, whether internet usage will be decreased or reduced in the future. It will reduce or it will increase. Internet usage will increase or reduce.
Increase.
Yeah, absolutely. So because of the telecom spectrum, that may be 5G or 6G or 4G, whatever we are using, in future it will increase the internet usage. So most of the cyber attacks or application attacks or mobile attacks or wireless attacks or network attacks will come via internet only. 95% of the attacks will come through internet only. So till the internet is available, there is no Docker, there is no problem to cyber security. And even though security of the one domain, maybe it is reducing the market capture and people are increasing in the one domain, maybe we can move into some other domain in the security field itself. There is no need to move into completely different domain or different technology or different software or different course. So for example, so I provided here security domains are information, physical, endpoint, network, infrastructure, vulnerability management, mobile and product. Maybe right now you are working under the endpoint security. So maybe endpoint security people are increased in the market and also there is not that much salaries. Then you can move into the product or you can move into the application or you can move into the infra or you can move to the cloud or you can move to cyber security. Maybe currently you are working the network security or maybe you can move into information security like auditor and or you can move into cloud or you can move to cyber or you can move into product. So that is the way you can exchange these technology here itself. You can swap the technology here itself. There is no need to change the entire course or software technology. In the security itself, we can survive till we are going to retire. Okay, as I said, so initially I joined as a network engineer. From past 16 years, I did not look into some other field also. Just additionally added, so maybe I learned it Java and C, C++, so that's it. I did not do any additional things. Everything my own, I learned it. And I know about all these technologies now. So this is the way. So parallel, you can work on in the security field itself. I can survive up to maybe 58 years of the age till I'm going to retire. So this is the way in the security itself, we can go and we can survive in the longer time period. There is no need to look into some other technology. Maybe how to update your skills. It's a continuous learning or continuous process. So that is about overall demo, guys. Do you have any questions? Any questions you can ask in Telugu or Tamil, whatever language you are comfortable. Anytime course content side. Coming back, what I'm going to teach in this entire duration of the 70 to 90 days, I will cover information security, I will cover endpoint security, I'll cover network security, I'll cover infrastructure security, I'll cover application, and also I'll cover cyber and cloud. So as I said, it's not for one dedicated one tool. It's for multiple vacancies and multiple technologies and multiple domains I'm going to teach. It's not dedicated to one tool. Please inquire with other institutions as well, other coaching institutions as well, how they are teaching and how they are working on, whether they are providing one course content or whether they are providing multiple domains. Please go and reach out multiple other institutions as well, and you can decide based on the best institution and whatever you like. Yeah, you can throw the now. So questions, whatever you do have, then I can answer it.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, offline క్లాసులు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు సార్?
Offline class, unfortunately, no. Why? Because I have to travel here and there, Bangalore, Mumbai, and Chennai. So there are 3 locations I'm staying right now. So that is the reason there is no specific static location for me. So unfortunately, it's not possible here.
ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు సార్ క్లాసులు?
That
Regular
I
classes.
cannot give the commitment or promise now. So, but I can take the maybe wherever it is possible. Online is convenient for me.
ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులే రెగ్యులర్ క్లాసెస్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు సార్?
So I can start Monday itself, tomorrow evening.
ఓకే సార్.
Any other? Please ask here. Don't you have any questions? Don't you have any questions in the demo? Maybe either of the one thing. Either you did not understand whatever I taught. Maybe so you fully understand whatever I taught. You are partially, and then obviously have the questions. I think a couple of people are pinging. Let's see. Yes, we can get the freelancing job as well. Right now, I'm doing freelancing job as offline. Mr. Manikanta. Can I answer your
hi, sir.
question?
Yes, sir. Thanks. Actually, I got that question. That doubt on me. Freelancing.
Okay. Yes, I am doing right now. Yeah. As a part-time.
Thank
Welcome. Any other?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Coming back to
Sir.
Srikanth, it covers CH. Yes. Once you are
Yeah.
completing all the course content or syllabus, there is no need to go for separately CH training, and straight away you can read all the dumps, nothing but previous paper questions, and you can write the exam. You'll 100% you'll pass the exam.
Okay. Sir,
Yeah.
this is Naidu from Vizag, actually.
Yeah, please, Naidu.
సార్ నాకు ఇది ఆల్రెడీ సర్వర్ సైడ్ కానీ లేదంటే వేరే ఎటువంటి డొమైన్ లో నాకు ఏ నాలెడ్జ్ లేదు. ఐఎమ్ లైక్ ఏ ఫ్రెషర్. ఓకే
ఓకే
నేను సూటబుల్ అండి ఈ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఫర్దర్ గా సమ్ జాబ్.
Yeah, absolutely. As I said previously also when I was giving the demo, from fresher to up to 20 years of the experienced people. So even freshers also can attend this course. Even 20 years of experienced people also can attend this course. One of the
Okay.
maybe one of the person is right now he's working in testing tools. Maybe he wants to migrate his technology. Yes, this course content is sufficient. Maybe you're a fresher. Yes, maybe you have to do a little bit of hard work. So nothing is impossible, correct? Yes, coming
Yes.
back to your question, even though you don't have the existing skill set or existing IT and software industry experience, yes, as a fresher, you are eligible.
ఓకే. రికార్డింగ్ క్లాసెస్ ఏమన్నా ఎవ్రీడే రికార్డింగ్ క్లాసెస్ మనకి
Every
ప్రొవైడ్
day
చేస్తారా?
recording classes I can provide, yes.
ఓకే. అండ్ థియరిటికల్ మెటీరియల్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటుందండి?
Yeah, theoretical materials I can provide, yeah.
వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద ఫినిషింగ్ ద కోర్స్ ఎనీ మాకేమైనా లైక్ కాల్స్ ఏమైనా ప్రొవైడ్ చేయగలరా మీ వైపు నుంచి?
Yeah, placement I said I'm working with the couple of companies.
Okay.
So right now I cannot give any commitment and promise. So in case if any project I will get it from the any company or they are coordinating with our institute, yes, I can provide that assistance. And anyway, so coming back to placement side, as I said, right now this is the condition. Couple of projects are in pipeline. If those projects are pipeline and whoever is best in the class, those people I will take directly.
Thank you.
Yeah, hi, sir. This is Raju. From
Hi,
Hyderabad.
Raj.
Yeah, so actually, sir, currently I'm working as a testing side domain. So I would like to move to this course, cyber security. So is that right way to choose this course?
Yeah, Raj, may I know how many years of experience do you have?
I have 3+ years of experience.
Okay. Yeah, so it is depending on, I don't want to disclose your personal data here in front of other people.
Okay.
So yes, you can, but based on your market capture of this salary point of view, you are underpay or overpay. You can think about testing tool side. You are underpay and also testing tool side not that much scope. Yes, you are. Yes, you can migrate to this particular course. Yes.
So after completion of this course, how many years of experience can I put it there?
You can put
to
3+
get this?
whatever you're working on.
Okay. So and currently my package is 9.6.
No, don't say
sir.
all those things. That's what I'm saying here.
Yeah,
Don't disclose
yeah.
your personal data in front of others.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah, in that scenario, yes. So as I said, couple of people are getting 3+ years of experience also. 22. One of my sister-in-law son is getting, and couple of 3 to 4 years experience people, they are getting 15, 14. It depends on which company you selected here completely.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, coming back, who I taught approximate more than 6,500 students so far, and minimum package for fresher is 3.2 lakhs, and highest package is 80 lakhs.
80.
80,
80.
yeah, Philips, and he is working in Philips, yeah.
Okay. So can we get that much of knowledge after completion of this course, right, sir?
Yes, but how much you will grab it, that is completely depending on you.
Yeah.
I don't have
Yeah.
grasping
Okay.
power. I don't have
Yes, right,
IQ,
right.
intelligent quotient. It's completely depending on up to you. As I said, I
Yes,
will
right.
teach up to architect level.
Okay.
Yeah, I will give whatever I do have the knowledge, but how much you'll take away
Sorry,
to
sir.
your home, it's completely depending on you.
Can you please repeat?
What I'm saying here, I
Hello?
will, whatever knowledge I do have. Hello,
Hello, guys. Are you there? Anyone? Are you able to hear sir voice?
are you able to hear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry,
Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Now I am able to.
Yeah, what I'm saying here, whatever knowledge I do have, everything I can share. I don't want any thing. I don't want to hide it here. So just how much you are grabbing and how much you will take it away to your home. It's completely depending on your skills only.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks.
Hi, sir. My name is Sandeep.
Hi, Sandeep.
Yeah. Sir, theoretical, okay. So what about practical training?
Practical, as I said, we have to deploy a couple of labs. As I said, that's why given requirement also 16 GB RAM and also 250 GB hard disk. Couple of times we have to deploy virtual machine. Couple of times we have to deploy local host. Couple of times you have to deploy tools as well, and you have to practice that one, like a ticketing tool or EDR tool or firewalls or vulnerability management tools or SIM tools.
Okay. So, basically when you're teaching, so will you show us real-time scenarios and
Yes,
tools?
absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. So, because my doubt is like when we keep some experience, we need when we enter into.
I get it what you said, Sandeep. Yes. Yeah, definitely I can show all the practical labs as well.
Okay. Also, sir, is there any possibility of, a way to learn build related knowledge? Can we get that kind of experience in your training?
Build related, if you want to say that part of the development side.
No, security engineering.
Security engineering, yeah, that is what I said. Security engineering basically part of the software development life cycle. For that one, you should understand about what is the difference between SDLC life cycle versus secure software development life cycle. For that one, you should require a couple of libraries and packages and also code. So if you have that code, we can use a couple of open source tools like Kali Linux or Metasploit or Burp Suite or BlockDug or White Source, and we can scan it and we can get the security engineering. Right now, I'm not working at all cybersecurity field. So I'm working on complete product security and also mobile security and application security. Right now, what your question you asked? Right now, I'm in the security engineering team.
Okay. So we will get a chance to learn about rule writing.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other?
That's it.
What about others?
Hi, sir.
Hi.
My name is Yashay.
Hi.
Sir, actually, నేను 19లో పాస్ అవుట్ సార్.
Okay.
కొంచెం ఏరియర్స్ బ్లాక్ లాక్స్ ఉండటం వల్ల 22లో నాకు సర్టిఫికేట్ వచ్చింది. సార్ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏ జాబ్ చేయలేదు. యాజ్ ఫ్రెషర్గా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్గా మనం ట్రై చేయొచ్చా?
That is, I don't want to discuss any illegal things here. You know, right, how the software industry looks like. I'm very transparent with you. Whoever is working, whoever is passed out long back, that may be 2015 to till date or 2019 till date, how they are entering into cyber, any security, any software field industry without pressure. What the process? You know the answer. Please give the answer.
ఫేక్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ సార్.
Exactly. Yeah, same process here also.
బట్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కాకుండా ఫ్రెషర్గా గెట్ ఇన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి సార్ ఎక్కువ.
But yeah, you have to convince at the time of the interview why the 5 years of the gap it has come in between 2019 to till date. So maybe 2 years is okay. So to provide the gap, but more than 2 years, most of the people they'll think like, okay, so maybe this candidate is not working, maybe he's a fake. In such a way, they will give a lot of queries. So better 2 years is okay, fine. But as I said, couple of practical example, lot of housewives, they passed out in 2019, sir, 2009, 2008 is more than my age people also attended the course. Right now they are working on. They have even 10th standard people they are studying, and they are working on the couple of very, very big multinational companies. Yeah,
Okay.
coming back to your question, yes, it is possible.
ఓకే సార్. యాక్చువల్గా అంటే ఫ్రెషర్గా వెళ్ళాలంటే ఇంకా 22 సర్టిఫికేట్ పెట్టుకుని మనం ఫ్రెషర్గా ట్రై
Yeah, that
చేస్తే
is fine. Either you can try with one is fresher, maybe you can try with another 3+ years of experience. Yeah,
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
welcome, Sai. Any other?
ఆర్కే గారు ఈ లైనెక్స్ టూల్ కోసం ఏమైనా చెప్పగలుగుతా ఉంటుందా ఏమన్నా మనకు?
Linux is not required. So basically Linux logs we can integrate, Linux scan servers we can do. So that is more than
Okay.
sufficient. So otherwise it's not like you are Linux administrator and you have to use the command line interface and you have to execute the commands and you have to configure the commands and so on. It's not that much is required. Whatever is required for the security field, I can teach everything.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
ఈ విఏపిటి ప్రాక్టికల్స్ ఏమన్నా థియరిటికల్ కానీ విఏపిటి ప్రాక్టికల్స్ కానీ ఉంటుంది కదా?
We obviously VAPT I will explain everything. WASP top 10 and secure SDLC lifecycle, threat modeling sessions, all those things
Okay.
are it's a part of our SDLC lifecycle. Yeah.
వెరీ గుడ్.
Any other? Any other questions?
Sir, this course will be going to 2 to 3 months, sir.
Yeah, because I'm not teaching one domain. If you want one time, I can complete within 30 days or 40 days.
Okay.
Because here I'm teaching about multiple security domains. That's what I said previously. If only single
Yeah.
domain, I can complete within the 30 to 35 days. If daily I'm taking 1 hour or 1.5 hour. But here I'm covering so many technologies or so many domains. So that's why it will take minimum 70 to 90 days in between.
So
Okay.
duration of course is 70 to 90 days. And what about time, sir? And this 1 hour
Yeah,
only?
I will take either 1 hour, 1.5 hour on the daily basis, including weekends.
Okay, including weekends. Okay.
Yeah, including weekends. Yeah.
Is
Sir,
it
one more doubt
meaning
and last and final doubt.
Yeah, please.
Quadrant Splunk and both topics are discussed in this class, sir.
Splunk is a part of the SIM tool that is under the cybersecurity. Yes, we are going to discuss.
Both are.
Sorry, which one you said? One is Splunk, a second one?
Radar.
QRadar. Okay.
I think.
QRadar
sorry,
SIM tool.
QRadar.
Yeah, QRadar SIM tool. Yes, both we are going to discuss. Yes.
Sir, is there any possibility to discuss about Azure Sentinel tool?
Yeah, Azure Sentinel for current batch, I am already working on that one, and I already provided theoretical part. Only practical session is pending. Right now, trending tools in the market is one is Azure Sentinel and IBM QRadar Splunk, along with Exabeam as well. These are the 4 trending tools. Yeah, for your batch, yes, absolutely, I can provide Azure Sentinel also.
Okay, that's great, sir.
Yeah, hi sir, this is Jayalakshmi. So is this course cover CrowdStrike tool also, right?
Yeah, that is under the endpoint security, Jayalakshmi.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Why? See, it's not a mandatory compulsory you have to work on the CrowdStrike. There are a lot of competitor products. So Microsoft Defender, Sentinel One, and also we have McAfee, Trend Micro, and even we do have the ESET, Sophos. There are so many tools are available. If you know one tool is perfect, then you can apply for any EDR vacancy.
Yeah, yes, sir. But actually, I have 3 years experience in cybersecurity, like
Oh,
working in
already you are
curated.
working in the cybersecurity field and you need dedicatedly CrowdStrike.
Yeah, yes, yes. Actually, I'm doing audit log analysis for 3 consoles like Zscaler, CrowdStrike, and QRadar. Only
Okay.
I do audit log analysis only. Apart from that, they are not allowed to work in the incidents and all, right? So
What
they are
about are you
not.
taking care of the IR, instant response?
No, no, no. Actually, I'm not having. They are not
So-
giving the opportunity to work
So
in.
you completely working as L1 analyst as of now.
Yeah, yes, audit log analytics only.
Okay, fine, it's clear. Yeah,
Yeah.
if you want to grow in this L2 and L3 as instant responder or threat hunters, so
Yeah.
right now my suggestion to Jayalakshmi, please don't go with L2 and L3 kind of thing. Better you can move into implementation level. That's what my advice. How many years you will work on the L1, L2 and L3 level? So, and also how many days you can work on the completely shift timings like 24/7. So my suggestion, it's better already have some idea about what is the overall process. So your next step is not like L2 or L3. It's better you can move into the implementation side.
Implementation side, yeah. But actually I have attended couple of interviews also, but they are asking about only incident response related questions only.
Yeah, instant response meaning
Like
here like a
if
true
any
positive
malware
scenario, something got compromised. What will you do in that scenario? And how will take care of the containment, eradication, mitigation? Yeah, so that is like combination of L2 and L3 level role. As L1, you cannot give that much in-depth analysis. Maybe that is the reason you are not able to crack.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, it's clear. But my suggestion, it's better anyway you have some idea and overall you are already working on Zscaler and IBM QRadar and also CrowdStrike. So your next step, it's better you can go into the little bit implementation side and you can work for 9 to 6 timings.
Yeah,
But
yes.
anyways, that implementation and L2, L3 level of the training also I can provide in inbuilt course content.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
welcome. Any other?
Sir, are there any morning shift matters?
Morning, no, because I have to work on my office. I'm working right now, so it's not possible. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, guys, then that's all. And so tomorrow I will start the classes, and tomorrow first session, what the course content? Course content, it will not start immediately. First 4 to 5 days, I will take the completely what are the regular definitions we are going to use and what acronyms we are going to use and how that one will be helpful for the future classes. First 4 to 5 class complete introductory classes, but that doesn't mean that you have to ignore that one. All those are interior questions basically. So first thing is we can go and we can discuss about acronyms and cybersecurity definitions and also terminology. Later we can go to course content. Tomorrow anyways, I will explain about course content once again, what we are going to discuss in the next 70 to 90 days in between. Okay, guys, that's all. And yeah, as I said, please coordinate and collaborate with your friends and family and relatives and your other friends as well. And choose the correct technology and don't choose the wrong technology. And so be happy in your personal and professional life. And I wish you all the best from bottom of my heart.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
nice day. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.